Hey everyone, welcome to Viler's channel. Today I'll show you how to make a sound panel in Roblox. Open your browser, type VoiceMod, go to the first site, click download for free, and you'll get this downloader. Open it, click yes, okay, yes, next, and next again. Wait for installation, then click open. Log in, click next, choose your mic and speakers, click next, and start using VoiceMod. Now we go to the soundboard, click add. Here you can add a sound, record your own, or upload one. There. Now let's add a sound. This sound will play. You can add or remove sounds, adjust settings, and assign a key to play it. Next, in Roblox itself, enter any game. Go to settings and select the microphone. Choose voice mod. That's it. This was Viler. Bye everyone.